Hi, it's Jo Natoli here from the Rental Specialists. We have this fantastic one-bedroom apartment in Erskineville available for lease. It's just down the road from the fabulous Erskineville shopping village and the railway station. It's so conveniently located. Let's go and take a look. As soon as I walk into this apartment, it just has an overwhelming feeling of coziness, which is really welcoming and really calming. It's lovely. So we enter straight into the living area, which has a separate dining area. And we can see up here we have air conditioning. The building is security building. The property is offered unfurnished. You'll notice the beautiful timber floors as well. As we move around to the bedroom is a brilliant size. We have here already, we have a queen size bed, plus we have room for a study table if we want it. We have wardrobes there. And we have a mirrored built-in robe over here. So excellent size. You'll see here the doggy bed. So the owners are very pet friendly. So if you have a pet, please don't be discouraged to come down and have a look at it. We'll make our way out to the balcony now. The balcony is really nice and private. And as we make our way into the kitchen, you'll see that the fridge space is quite large. We've got a lot of cupboard space here in the kitchen, which is always a big bonus. The cooktop is gas and electric oven. Granite bench tops. Everything in here is just of fantastic quality. It's been very, very well looked after. We have a dish drawer down there as well, which is always handy. And as we make our way around, we have the bathroom and the laundry combined. Downstairs in the basement, we do have an allocated car space as well. Now, like we said earlier, this particular property is located just a few minutes away from Erskineville railway station and from the fantastic Erskineville shopping strip. To organise your inspection, please be in touch with our office.